G'day guys, and in this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business, I'm talking about presentations, unplanned speeches versus scripted ones. Roll the bumper! G'day guys, my name is Bruce Garrett. I'm the owner of Gingerbeard Media, and in this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business, I want to talk about why you would choose an unplanned piece of speech over a scripted piece of speech in your next video. So firstly, an unplanned piece of speech presentation. This is where someone just talks to the camera, it's unplanned, it's unrehearsed, and you just let them go for it. And in essence, it's exactly that. Unplanned speech can feel like a normal conversation. It can often feel more real. However, the downside is that it will often take more time to both shoot and edit. A scripted message, however, will definitely cut down on the amount of time that you need to shoot and edit. It will definitely keep you on track, but sometimes it can feel overproduced. It doesn't feel as real as an unscripted piece of conversation. So why would I pick one over the other? And the truth is, I'd probably pick a scripted piece when we're trying to stay on time and on budget, and we need to keep on message. And so those particular pieces tend to be sales and promotional pieces because we are very conscious of how much time we're going to use up when it comes to a video. We really want to make sure that video stays at 30, 60, 40 seconds. But I will typically use an unplanned piece of speech when we're doing things like testimonials because we want them to feel raw and connected with the viewer. We don't want them to feel coerced and that these are planned to try and get people to come into that business. Finally, I'd add, you can actually do a mixture of both. Often with testimonials, I will have somebody answer a question and then we'll sculpt their answer into something that we want. So perhaps they've spoken for too long and we'll bring the answer in, or perhaps we just need to reframe them so they tackle particular subjects. So there you go, there's my thoughts around why you would pick a conversational, unplanned, unscripted piece of video versus a scripted piece of video. As ever, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business. If you've got any questions or comments, I would love to hear them. And if you're looking to join a community of active business owners who are also shooting their own videos, then come and join our Facebook group, How to Shoot Video for Your Business. Thanks for watching, and as ever, I'll see you in the next video. Gingerbeard Media, get on beer.